ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Non-routine maintenance is any maintenance that isn't performed at predetermined intervals. Sometimes quality control workers and inspection technicians will routinely inspect machinery in order to catch a problem before it becomes too troublesome. Non-routine maintenance is the other side of this. Aside from shutdown maintenance, non-routine maintenance is the worst kind of inspection and repair. Downtime can be costly and unpredictable. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.